This will be the last time we ever see Letty's 240 in Too Fast, Too Furious Orange. It is about to go to paint and body. Got the trailer being backed up right now. So we are currently in Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning used in Fast 1. This is Harry's speed shop parts runner. The one that Paul Walker drove, hit the curb. This is the actual truck. Right now we are all the way to the paint and body shop to drop off a lot of the parts for Letty's 240SX rebuild. We did an online poll. The fans wanted us to restore that one first. This truck will be restored eventually. It's in rough shape, but it is the actual truck. It's not a fake, not a clone, not a replica. It's the actual verified, VIN number verified truck.
Explain to people how you know this is a real one.
I have the VIN list of all the cars from the first movie, so we are able to verify this. This was actually loaned by Ford to the film. Then Ford got these back, and I believe they probably hit the dealer's lot as demos, and then the stories didn't really transfer with the trucks as they were sold. The owner of this truck was literally months away from pulling the engine and transmission out of this and putting it like in an older F-150 or F-100 to do a resto mod. Save this truck just in time, because who knows what would have happened after that. Probably the truck would have been parted out, parts sold, bed, cab, whatever. So this truck is 100% whole right now. This is the engine bay, and it's got done painting this.
3 weeks later.
Just pulled up to the body shop, and what do I see? This sexy, fully painted front bumper. Oh my God, that looks nice. Whew. I cannot wait to see this on the car. This color just flip-flops big time. I'm here at the paint shop, and Letty's 240 is fresh out of the paint booth. It has looked absolutely amazing. They hit the color spot on. It's got dark purple hues, but around like your body lines and all that, it kind of turns to that light magenta that we see in the film. We saved the gas cap. I just wanted a little piece of history to save. I purchased a different one, but the transition in color is spot on.
Go for it.
All right, so we're at Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning right now, heading to the paint shop to pick up Letty's 240SX. Got an empty trailer behind us. We got the open road ahead of us. And we're gonna go pick up that iconic car with this iconic truck. When we get back to the garage, we have a lot to do.
Picture I want.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, my brother.
This is the man right here. He Did all the paint and body work on this bad boy. It was in rough shape. We got Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning right now, towing Letty's 240 in the back of the flatbed trailer. Strapping her down to bring her home. This color came out absolutely amazing. This thing changes like so many different shades of purple. Man, that thing is so straight. It's like laser straight down the side. Did an amazing job. This car was in really rough shape. This thing looks nice. Oh, there he is, a cameo appearance. What's up, man?
Hi, Mom.
I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Please like and subscribe. This is history in the making. We are saving automotive and cinematic history, and these are the real screen use Fast and Furious cars. And you're going to see the four-way street race eventually get put back together. Excuse me, is this the Furious Garage? Ah, no way! That is a work of art.